Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, December 6th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So just like coming into yesterday, the price spike was our line in the sand early. Well, yesterday's low is our line in the sand today for ES and NQ. Simply because if the bears are able to take it out, they'll put the daily into balance. And then it becomes a question of how big the balance will be towards the end of the day. So that is definitely a main goal. Once again, in ES, look how tight so far this overnight ranges with a wide overnight POC. We do have non-farm payroll out at 8:30, so that can certainly change the overnight landscape. Right now, though, I mean, it's an 11-point range in ES, very, very small. In NQ, it's 71 points, under $2. Remember, because if we keep a small overnight range, the odds were very high to take out both sides of the overnight, which we did in ES and NQ. And then, because we had such small initial balances, we took them both out in ES and in NQ. Righty is down on the daily, one-time framing down 4 days. I would have probably used this price probe. I'm in threes, so that's a relevant point for them. That's pretty much their line in the sand. Bulls are not going to defend yesterday's low because they're already down. Bears want to defend J-Lo here to have the price probe be accepted to the downside and have lower value and continue lower. Bulls want to get back inside of yesterday's range. Okay? Again, as far as the game plan, a lot can change at 8:30. So it depends on where. I didn't use L's low in ES or NQ because it just didn't get far enough away for that to be that much of a reference point. So obviously, if we have lower value on the day, you're going to come back into balance on the daily. That's a fact. There's no way you wouldn't be able to take out yesterday's low. If, however, by the time the market opens, we're back inside of value, well, then we'll have to see what happens. We had a 10-wide point of control yesterday, so any acceptance back into value, you should go trade there. NQ, you had a 9-wide point of control. So yesterday's low, very important. Value low from yesterday, very important. Below that, we have the gap from December 4th in ES, which is not that large. It's only 6 points. NQ, however, is 388, 98. So it's over $2 in NQ if they were to get into that. So again, look, bulls have been very resilient here. Yesterday's volume, again, was so horrific. I think it was the second or third lightest for the past 3 years. We're down to 57.7 million as an average in SPY. Okay? Nobody is participating in this market except people like you and I and algorithmic machines. That is it. That's it. We'll recap all of these charts tonight, but for now, I mean, here, look, 28.7 million yesterday. Look how small these ranges are. The danger, right now, we're day traders, so you have to trade what's in front of you, okay? But there is a danger at some point with this light volume and small ranges that if something, for whatever reason, spooks the short-term traders, you could wipe out a lot of these daily lows in one day. Look at where we closed yesterday, 6,666. Maybe today's the day. Good luck trading today. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.